Congratulations, you have won $50,000. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. I'm from Malaysia, and I've recently rebranded this channel to talk about LiveGood, and I call this channel LiveGood with Alex. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know every time that I post a new video. Now, think about the question, how would your life change if you really won $50,000? Would you pay off some debts? Would you buy a new house or a new car? Or get a new hobby? If you've never heard about LiveGood, it's a revolutionary membership where you can buy the highest quality health products at the lowest wholesale price. You can also promote this membership to earn a lucrative side income, and we call this the membership that pays. Now, LiveGood already has more than 900,000 members in just about 12 months, and they're trying their very best to reach 1 million by the end of December. So Ben Glinsky, LiveGood CEO, has come up with a very exciting promotion to try and reach this number. I'll let you listen to Ben as he tells you all about this promotion.
So let me just tell you some statistics. I was just looking just because I'm curious about how that compares to really some of the biggest companies in the industry. Did you know it took Facebook 10 months to get 1 million free members just to sign up to use Facebook? 10 months to get 1 million. I mean, we're talking about 12 months to get 1 million paid members, pay $9.95 a month, and a lot of them using products that are changing their lives. I mean, I call that a win.
Amen.
Amazon took over 2 years to get to 1 million members. We're going to do it in half the time. What's most exciting about that is the 2 years after that, they grew from 1 million to over 10 million. So 2 years to get to 1 million, 2 more years to get to 10 million. So we have the 2-year thing. We did it in 1 year. So maybe 5 years, 10 million. Just saying. And I don't think that's unrealistic. In fact, I think that's pretty conservative. I think, I don't want to say crazy numbers, but it's not unrealistic. We hit 3 to 5 million in 2024, this coming year, with everything that we've got going on, guys. It's going to be big. When I say we're just getting started, we are just getting started. I mean, we've done this all with affiliates. We have not even touched social media. We have not even touched advertising, marketing. I mean, we're going to crank up a lot of stuff that's just going to help all of you guys get the word out, make LiveGood a household name, pack that matrix, explode those matching bonuses, those generational overrides, the matrix checks. I mean, we're about to see something that's never been done. I mean, we've already, in less than a year, no company in the history of the industry has put in over 80,000 people in under a year. 1 million people in under a year. Never, not even, I don't know if a company's done 500,000 people in a year. We are absolutely creating history here. And this is just the beginning. We have not even started. This is a disruptor. This is a category creator. I mean, this is something that has never been done, seen before. And everyone that's been fighting it, I mean, this is something that everybody needs. We're helping the world. We're helping people get healthy, stay healthy, do it in a way that they can afford without having to make compromises or sacrifices. And now I think this New Year's resolution that Lisa was talking about, people focusing not just on weight loss, but on getting healthy, on changing their life, changing their lifestyle, is really going to jumpstart us into 2024. And it is going to be an absolutely explosive year. So with that, I mean, Twitter took 2 years to get 1 million people. Netflix took 3.5 years to get to 1 million members. Costco took over 10 years to get to 1 million members way back in the day. So we're doing some big things, guys. It is exciting, and some of the new stuff that we've got coming on is life-changing, is industry-changing, industry-creating, and it's going to be a fun ride. So let everyone know now is the time. And on top of that, if you need a little bit more incentive, I want to get us to 1 million members this year, this month. And I believe we can do it if we all work together. And I want to give you guys even more incentive than just let's go get 1 million than that already is, because that's a huge, I mean, that just gets me excited. Let's get to 1 million people. And I'd love to do it by December 13th to wrap it up in 1 year. If it takes us till the end of the month, that's awesome too. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to run a promotion and this is going to be a drawing. You're going to be qualified for each new member that you enroll this month. For anyone who enrolls just one new member in the month of December, you're going to go into a drawing for a chance to win $10,000. Enroll just one person. You're going to get paid on that person. It could be a member and an affiliate or just a member. Member, $10. Member and an affiliate, $49.95. You're going to make $25. On a member, you make $10. You make $5 of it right back. Not a hard thing to do. Sign up one, have a chance to win $10,000. Sign up two or more. Every additional person, anyone over one, goes into a different drawing to win $50,000. $50,000. The more people you enroll, the more entries you get into that drawing. Everyone needs to enroll at least two people this month. One to get into the $10,000 pool, not pool, but drawing. One to get into the $50,000 drawing. You're going to be in both. And everyone has to enroll at least two. You enroll 20, you got one in the $10,000 pool, you got drawing, you got 19 in the $50,000 drawing. Now, here's what happens when you do promotions. Everyone waits till the last couple days or the last day to hit it, right? So instead of waiting till December 30th, December 31st for everyone to get their members, and then we have 100,000 people come in one day, we're going to incentivize you guys even more because we want to do it in the first year, December 13th. Anyone who enrolls those people on or before December 13th, we're going to double your entries into the drawings. So you enroll one person before December 13th, you've got two entries into the $10,000 drawing. You enroll any more than that, and you've got double those extra entries into the $50,000 drawing. So if you enroll 5 people between now and December 13th, you get 2 entries into the $10,000 drawing, and then you had 4 more people times 2, so you got 8 entries into the $50,000 drawing. And you still have the rest of the month to get more entries, more members, more chances to win. We're going to do the drawing live on our Friday Zoom on, I believe it's January 5th. And the winners will be paid out that following payday, the next Thursday. I think it's the 11th or 12th or something of January. So, but on top of that, this is cool because, and I'm excited about the December 13th thing because I really want to make a push to get us. So here's where we are right now. We're at 880,000 members right now. We put in just over 70,000 in November. So I expect those numbers to continue. I expect to put in 70 or 80,000 without a promotion this month, which leaves us about 50,000 members, 40 to 50,000 more members that we need to push. That's not a lot. I mean, if everyone just gets 1 or 2 extra this month, boom, we will blow right by that. And I fully expect to do that. And I want to do that so bad. If we get 1 million members in a year, guys, that has never been done before in the history of the industry. That story, that achievement, that accomplishment, that team effort that we all put in will be never, ever matched in the history of this industry. And it's just the beginning.
So those are the details of the promotion. I encourage you to click the link in the description below to check it out and to become a LiveGood affiliate. You'll be able to save up to 75% on the best health supplements. And if you just refer a few new members, you get entries into the drawing for the $10,000 or even the $50,000. Who knows? You might end up becoming a winner. Until next time, thank you for watching.